2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 43,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Never get bored with the numerous premium built-in features such as 4-wheel drive, pass-through rear seat, power outlet, keyless entry, automatic headlights, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control, cruise control, air conditioning, ABS, power locks, front side airbag, front side head airbag, child safety rear door locks, 8-cylinder engine, tow hooks, tire pressure monitor. This is a top-rated dealer. Ready to take home the car of your dreams?